Hello.
Hi.
So we're going to read out some comments and do a bit of shout out today for those of you who've been kind enough to leave us messages on YouTube. Marnie Leonard says, "Yay, thank you, Diamond Shop. She was one of our daily raffle draw winners. Yay, congratulations, Marnie." Also, Kim Copeland says, "Where can you buy the diamond tray?" This was in response to the how to use multi-placer drill pens for diamond painting. Oh, I guess these are the orange trays. You can actually pretty much purchase them in a lot of different shops, and we might have them at the shop as freebies soon. Maya Paya says, "You said my last name right. That is awesome. Thank you." Oh, awesome. Cool. To this. Lepcraft says, "OMG, thank you, Rocket and Zuli. You guys are so cute in your Olaf costumes." What do you want to say to that? They said you're so cute in your Olaf costume.
Yeah.
What do you say? Say thank you.
Thank you.
We've got Antoinette Miceli Bonilia who says, "Happy birthday, Reggie." I guess you just watched the video recently.
Thank you.
This Nerdy Life says, "Yay, should winners email you from the email the order was placed with? Thank you." No need actually. We've got all your names down, and if you have won a splurge card, we definitely will email you the splurge card code. And then if you've won a prize item like some special treatment beads and whatnot, we also will email you regarding those things. Diamond Junkie says, "Oh yay, that's exciting. What I wanted to." Thank you guys. She was the winner of the special treatment on the entire order. So yeah, congratulations, Diamond Junkie. Therese Elaine says, "Oh my gosh, thank you so much." We've got Bonita Land who says, "Precious little ones." Lepcraft says, "Love the Q&A. Thank you. Is there any chance you will be adding Leilani Joy's Alice wore blue to go with the Queen wore red? They make a cute set." That is absolutely correct. Thank you for that suggestion, Lepcrafts. We'll go on ahead and check it out with Leilani Joy and perhaps have that in a future release under her collection. We've got Geminin Jess Diamond Crafter who says, "Thank you so much for showing my comment. God bless you and your wonderful family." God bless you too, Jess, and your family. Thank you so much. Gretchen Clausen says, "Thank you, Roanna. I really appreciate you. Have a great day." Well, thank you so much. We really appreciate you too. Say thank you. Say, fine kiss. Oh, no, not yet, Julie. We've got more comments to read. It's okay. Come here. See, look. We've got more comments. Monique McKenzie. Say hi, Monique.
Hi, Nick.
"I must say that I'm in love with your shop, quality, family, just everything. My husband, Marseilles Mackenzie, gets me diamond paintings because he knows how much I love your shop." Aw, thank you, Mackenzie. And also, thank you, Marseilles. Monique McKenzie, I guess, says, "How to become an affiliate." We actually right now have closed our affiliates for the meantime, but when we do have available slots in the future, we definitely will let you guys know.
Bye.
We've got one more channel to check out, Zuli, so that we can say thank you to those who left comments, right?
Yeah.
Audra Lil says, "Thank you. Can't wait to work on it. Looks beautiful." You're welcome. Jamie Smart says, "So excited to see my paintings." Candace Evans says, "Thank you so much, Roanna. This was incredibly cool to see. I appreciate the suggestions, and also, wow, Come Sail Away is huge. She's gonna take me She's gonna take me away for a good while." Awesome. Well, we hope you enjoy working on your canvas, and thank you so much. We appreciate that you guys like the digest volumes, and just to be able to give you like a better view of the canvases and everything that the shop has to offer and what other people have been purchasing as well. Raven Kitty 27 says, "OMG, I love her. Can't wait to work on her." Awesome. Geraldine Walker says, "The mini paper is so adorable. So many new designs I love. Rocket and Zuli are so big and so adorable." Say thank you.
Thank you.
Cynthia Bujak says, "Love this. The canvas is beautiful." Deborah Scott says, "So happy to see my paintings are coming. Really love seeing your family again." Thank you so much, Deborah. Regina Barrientos says, "So excited to see my painting is on the way." Yes, it is. You probably have it by the time I'm reading this. Lipcraft says, yay, I'm so excited. All right, well, thank you so much, guys, for leaving a comment. And remember, if you have any questions, do make sure that you just jot it down in the comment section below. And I'll go on ahead and try to respond to it in video format if I can't respond to it via text by responding as a comment below your question. In the meantime, it is the month of February, and we've got February coming up, and we've got a ton of new exciting things for you guys. In the meantime, we also have new beadboard designs and new protective mask designs from DIYMOON Shop, so make sure that you tune in for that. Now is the time to say bye-bye. So, Zuli, what do we say? Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button.
Ring the bell. Video. Bye.
All right, bye guys. Thank you.
Comment and put the ring so good the ring the bell. You don't do the video. Bye. Bye. I'm Julie. Thank you for watching. Thanks, like, comment, and put the subscribe button. Don't ring the bell. Don't do it. Bye.